The OXO Good Grip Stainless Steel Potato Masher is an exceptional kitchen tool that every household should have. Made with high-quality stainless steel, this potato masher offers durability and longevity that you can rely on. The stainless steel material not only adds a sleek and modern look to the potato masher, but also ensures that it is resistant to rust, staining, and corrosion. This means that you can enjoy its functionality and appearance for years to come without worrying about it deteriorating over time. The masher features an ergonomic handle designed by OXO, known for their innovative and user-friendly products. The handle is equipped with a non-slip grip, providing you with comfort and stability while using it. This thoughtful design detail ensures that your hands won't tire easily, making the mashing process effortless. With dimensions of 10.6 inches length and 3.4 inches width, the potato masher is compact enough to store in your kitchen drawers or hang on a utensil.
If you like the video, please subscribe the channel. Thank you.